Today we are diving into the world of smart security with the all-new Blink Outdoor 4th generation camera system. Let's take a look at its features and see how it compares to other security options. One thing that makes this camera stand out is that it's completely wire-free. There's no messy cables or complicated installations. Just place the cameras where you need them and they're good to go. Plus, with a 2-year battery life, you won't be constantly changing batteries. These cameras deliver HD live view so you can clearly see what's happening around your home. The two-way audio lets you hear and speak to anyone near the cameras, making it great for checking in on deliveries or even scaring away unwanted visitors. Enhanced motion detection means you'll receive alerts when it matters most. Whether it's a person on your porch or wildlife in your yard, you'll know what triggered the camera. These cameras work seamlessly with Alexa. You can arm or disarm them with a simple voice command. It's like having your own personal security assistant. Inside the box, you'll find both devices, a booklet of instructions, and a charging cable. If you're looking for reliable and easy-to-use home security, this Blink Outdoor system is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.